Hello, everyone. Again, it is me, Naam. Today we will experiment 70% alcohol versus bacteria from the sea and river. First, we will start from river water. As you can see, so many bacteria moving around. Now we are going to add 70% ethyl alcohol. 3, 2, 1. Look at how alcohol destroys everything on its path. It's killed those bacteria just in a second, because alcohol spread too fast on the river water. The image is getting blurred because alcohol turning water into cloudy white. Why does alcohol turn water white? Water adds whiteness to ouzo and absinthe from the Lauch effect. The scientific basis for it is that when essential oils are added to water, it tends to turn the liquid white. This happens as a result of the in water absinthe turns to an opalescent white cloud when mixed with water yellowish-green liquor that is flavored with herbs. Now we will test with the seawater. As you can see, so many bacteria moving around. Now we are going to add 70% ethyl alcohol. 3, 2, 1. The seawater alcohol mix slower than the river water because there are fewer water molecules available to make hydrogen bonds with the alcohol molecules. The alcohol becomes less soluble in the water. Alcohol mixture, eventually forming a separate layer on top of the water. You can notice that in the salt water bacteria are dying slower than the river water. Thank you for joining this journey with us, and thanks to those wonderful people who are supporting this channel as we explore the unseen world. If you want to see more from our master of microscope, then like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon. That is the final result. Same as the river water, it turns into white.
Thanks for watching.